Good morning, class. Welcome to day 3 of your 2-point perspective unit. Please remember to complete all your classwork today during your regularly scheduled class time if you can, but at the very least, try to submit everything by 3 o'clock so you don't fall behind and you don't earn any temporary zeros for late or missing assignments. With that said, your learning goal for this project is to create a complex drawing by using linear 2-point perspective rules. Now, the term complex for your learning goal, obviously that means something that has a lot going on to it. It's more than just a basic, drawing of just a couple buildings, a couple shapes. I'm really looking for some details in your buildings and your spaces, some kind of interaction going on in your environment, whether they are people or animals or it's a fantasy, sci-fi type image. I just want to see something going on in that space beyond just the drawings of the structures themselves. So make sure it's complex, make sure it's worthy of an 8th grade submission. You're really putting a lot of time and effort into it. With that said, your essential question is, how does 1-point and 2-point linear perspective help the viewer better understand the dynamics of various spaces? Now, I know this is a very wordy question, but this is the essential question that I am required to give to you. But to help break down this question, it basically means, how does just a linear perspective technique, that process of using the horizon line and the vanishing point, how does that help the space look more realistic to the viewer? And to answer that question, it essentially adds depth to the space by making things closest to us the largest and most detailed, and the things furthest back the smallest and least detailed, to make the viewer seem like they are actually in that space and they can interact with the space if they were just to step into the artwork itself. So that's your essential question, and your vocab today is depth. Your first task for today is to do your entrance ticket. You're going to answer the following questions: what is depth, and how does the vanishing point help create a sense of depth to the viewer? Please refer to the Day 1 PowerPoint with help with both of these questions. This is meant to be an easy 2 points. Just go back and look at the Day 1 PowerPoint from the other day. And then lastly, you're just going to begin your final project today. You should have finished your sketch yesterday at the latest, and start your final project on the smooth white paper. You can see that listed on the materials at the bottom. And then submit your day's progress today for 3 points. This will allow me to check in on your progress, give you feedback as needed, and to also just basically keep you on pace with the assignment. So please make sure you submit this on time, because after 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, you won't be able to submit it. I need it within the 24 hours that the assignment was posted. All right, so that's everything for today. It should be a pretty easy day. Just basically do your entrance ticket and start your project. I look forward to seeing your original designs, and let me know if you have any questions. See you all in class. Bye, guys.